Here I have Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take live photo, motion photo, moving image, like call it as you want, on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then swipe your finger like this, and here you have this top shot mode. That's how it's called on this Google Pixel device. You can set it on an automatic or just turn it on. And now you can take pictures like this with it. So this feature is about you take a picture, you open it in gallery, and it seems to be just a normal still picture. But if you hold your finger on it, it starts moving, just like a video. Wow, yeah, unbelievable. That's the magic of technology. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.